Hello everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment student. Today we will discuss about the ray diagrams related to convex mirror. Yes student, convex mirror. Convex mirror is the important mirror that we use in our daily life, especially in the case of automobile transport. At the sites of automobile transport, many times you observe students, there is one mirror is found, and generally that mirror is convex mirror. With the help of that, we can take the side view of the automobile transport. That's why it is also known as side view mirror. And there is one mirror is also placed inside the automobile transport like car or jeep, and that mirror is also an example of convex mirror. With the help of that, we can take the back view. So side view mirror and the back view mirror are convex mirror. And another importance of the convex mirror is it is also used in the small shop or industries as safety view mirror. With the help of that, we can take the view of the shop or industries. So it is also used as safety view mirror. So now we come on the ray diagrams related to convex mirror student. Like if when the object lies at infinity in front of the mirror. If the object lies at infinity, then first what we will do, we will draw principal axis. This is the principal axis and it is pole. And this line, this point is center of curvature and it is focus. Now object is at infinity, that's why we will not show that, and the rays are parallel to the principal axis here. These are the incident ray, these are the incident ray, parallel to the principal axis. Now from here they will be reflect. They will be reflect like this. Like this they will be reflect. Now they appear to meet at the focus here. They appear to meet. So this line you can show by dot dot. Appear to meet. So the image will be formed at focus. At focus. So what position of image you will write here? It is at F. Behind the mirror, not in front of the mirror, it is behind the mirror. Size of the image, it is point size, so you can write here point size image. Nature of image is forming behind the mirror, that's why it is virtual and erect student. Virtual and erect. Here you write virtual and erect. So it is the first ray diagram that is in your syllabus. If the object is at infinity, then the image will be formed at focus behind the mirror. Now we come on the next ray diagram. In this, anywhere in front of the mirror, object is anywhere on the in front of the mirror. So again we will draw the line. We will draw the line like this. It is the pole. It is pole. It is the principal axis. It is principal axis. It is the center of curvature. It is center of curvature. It is focus. It is focus. Now in this, the object is anywhere. Object is anywhere like this. Now what will you do? You will draw the parallel ray from here. Here you will draw. Now in this, again there will be reflection takes place, and that reflection will be meet here like this. Now from here the ray will be passed to the center of curvature like this. So the image will be formed here. Here the image will be formed. And it is the object A, B, and the image will be also formed erect. That's why A dash, B dash, it is the image. Now you can write all these things. Position of the image, position of image, So what is the position of the image here? It is between F and P. Or size of image, smaller in size. Here you write size of image. Here you write smaller in size. Next is nature of image, same. Nature of image. It is nature of image, here you write virtual and erect. So you will learn that in the case of the convex mirror, generally the image will be formed virtual and erect, student. Now we come on the sign convention. That is the most important concept. If the image is formed in front of the mirror, then we take it as negative. If it forms in front of the mirror. If the image is formed as behind of the mirror, then we take it as positive. And if the image is forming above the principal axis, then the height of that object is taken as positive. If the image is forming behind the principal axis, then we take it as negative. So you will learn this sign convention. And in all the cases, the object distance is always taken as negative, because the object is always found in front of the mirror, student. That's why you will take in all the cases object distance as negative, student. And according to the concave and convex, you can easily learn this. Now I am giving you one trick. Concave mirror or concave lens, generally they have sign convention in negative. So you will learn it. They have generally all the sign convention negative. But in the case of convex mirror and convex lens, they have the sign convention positive. Because in the convex mirror, the image is formed virtual and erect. That's why they have the positive sign convention. But in the case of concave, they have the sign convention negative, student, because the image is generally formed in front of the mirror. So you will learn this sign convention. Now in the next segment, we will discuss about the numericals or the formulas related to mirror, student. So thank you very much and have a nice day.